Hello, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. So what I've simply got here is a pressure washer, like many others, that simply works. Pull the trigger, the machine starts, let go, under pressure the machine will stop. What I've simply got here, we've checked the plug already in the machine itself and the fuse. What we're doing is getting 240 volt down to the machine, but the machine is not starting up. So what we're simply going to do is have a look and see why. Got the water onto the machine, the high pressure out, but whatever happens, the machine, pull the trigger, the machine will not start up. Switched on. So what I'm simply going to do is take the machine in bits and have a quick peep and see what's going on. See whether the fault is on the switch or on where the fault is. So what we're simply going to do is take all the torque screws out from all the way around the unit itself. Taking the lid off, we'll continue. So we're just simply taking the water fitting off here now. All the machine has been taken in bits. So what we've simply got now is a machine on its own. Inside here we've got the capacitor, we've got the wires, we've also got the wires that go down to the micro switch here. And what simply happens here is this micro switch, it works in and out, it gives a message and no message. So what we're simply going to do is take that in bits as well and have a quick peep. So what we've done is connect all this machine up, high pressure hose onto the machine, the water inlet. What I've simply got here is the micro switch itself. Now if you look at the micro switch, what you'll find is the pressure switch, which is there. So if you press against that pressure switch, that's what makes the machine start and stop. If this unloader part here on this stem, in the unloader side bypass, is not coming in and out correctly, and that is pushing against it all the time, it means that the machine will not start up. So what we're simply going to do now is we've disconnected that. We'll turn the power on to the machine. 1 second. We'll turn the power on to the machine and see what happens now. So off we go. Power onto the machine. We'll flick it on. What it means is this micro switch on this system is not coming in and out correctly on the unloader. If you touch gently, this is 240 volt, if you touch against this, that's what stops and starts. So the fault is in this little side here where this is meant to come in and out as you pull the trigger. So if you pull the trigger now, let go, what's not happening is this is coming in and out, and that is the fault on the unloader. So we're going to have to take the unloader in bits to see why or what's going on. You can actually bypass this switch and take that out of the system if you wanted to, and that would do the same trick. Thank you. Like I say, all the machines all work the same way. So what simply happens is, as you're using the pressure washer and you're pulling your gun, that part goes back into the system itself, that stem. As you let go, it then pushes against the micro switch, causing the machine to stop and start. So you pull your trigger, it goes back in, let go, it comes back out and pushes against it. That's whether it's a KARCHER, Q, NILFISK, whatever the machine is, they all work on the same principle. The unloader on this, by the looks of it, is at fault, and that's what's causing the problems. The micro switch is working correctly, but what's not happening is the system itself, the pin, the stem on the unloader is not coming in and out to cause the machine to stop and start. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.